In today's day and age, the streets are rampant with cops trying to take all of our e-motos. That's why we got two street legal options right here, the TST R002 and the Zonveer ZX3. We are gonna solve the problem of getting our bikes impounded and having to run away from the cops. On the Zonveer ZX3, also got the TST R002 with my boy Reed out here. He sold his bike, he's not in bike life anymore. So like, you know, he has to take my bike. You're fake, you quit on us. Damn it, bro. We're about to head over to the police station, right? About to see if these bikes are street legal, and they are. So they should have no problem with us. I never ride around my city. You wanna know why? Because the cops impound everybody. But these bikes right here are fully legal. And look at him, he's actually getting active. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull up to the police station and ask them if this bike is street legal, so then I don't have to worry no longer. Let's see what they say. Good old police station. There's no one here right now. It says dial 2200 for assistance. I just have a question regarding my electric bike that I have right here. In the station, if someone can maybe like come out and like have a look at it real quick, I just have a question.
5555, that would mean Sergeant Aarons is the one that's in charge of e-bikes.
Oh, I guess no one is here right now. We'll come back later and we'll see if they're here later. Excuse me, there's a bike right here. You can impound it if you want to. I'm just wondering, are these bikes street legal right here?
I have a car to go to.
Okay, yeah, for sure. Hi there. I just had a quick question. Are these bikes street legal? Oh, okay, because it has pedals. And I just wanted to check if it's legal because it looks like it's like an e-moto, you know what I mean? But it's not. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it. You heard it here first from the cop himself that this thing is legal. I told him it goes 25 miles per hour, but this thing actually goes 35. As long as you keep it under the legal limit, you're completely fine. But yeah, let's go look for more cops. I completely forgot. There's a whole thing going on right here. Thank you so much, boss. I appreciate it. Okay, I see that power. Got that power. Okay. Guys, which one would you choose? Like, honestly, both of these bikes are pretty good bikes, but this bike, it's a lot lighter. That's why he's able to pop it up in a wheelie. But bro, like, look at me, like, I'm trying to, it's really hard to wheelie this thing. It pretty much has like no torque and it's pretty heavy. That's like how much bigger this one is. It's a pretty nice feature how it comes with like the, I think it's 18 wheels or 17-inch wheels. It's like Suron wheels on a pedal bike. But I just love these style of bikes. Also because it's just legal, bro. You don't have to worry about it. Like, bro, it's been so long since I've been able to just relax. So overgrown. Bro, the one time we're looking for cops, there's like no cops, bro.
We just entered Agora. There's gonna be cops.
So apparently there's this notorious cop out here called Forbes. Everybody gets impounded by him. I think he's a motocop. I'm trying to meet him today. I want to see if we can find him. Yo, bro, who even is Forbes, bro?
Forbes is a very big black man. He's a motocop. So you know how motocops are. They'll once they see that e-bike go, they'll go after you. And I've encountered him once. He almost got me, but I got away.
Was he like really good at rolling bikes?
There are some people who've gone away from him, just like me.
We got a cop right here. We're gonna have a conversation with him. Hi, how you doing? Sorry, I'm just wondering, is this bike street legal by any chance?
I'm not too sure. I'm not familiar with it.
Okay, for sure, because it has pedals, so it's like...
Yeah, I mean, do you use the pedal?
Yeah.
Okay, I think it should be okay, but I'm not 100%.
It goes under the speed limit, like the 20 miles per hour.
Thank you, boss. Well, as you can see, they're pretty chill about it. Like, damn, can you wheelie this? You should try and wheelie this bike right here. We're about to try and wheelie the Zonveer. This is a pretty hard bike to wheelie.
Good bike. Wheelies.
It just needs a little bit of torque for real. Pump it, do like pump it up. Go like 0 miles an hour. Bike is a bike that I would choose, you know, if I'm just trying to go cruise, I'm just trying to go relax, maybe go run some errands and stuff. I really like the linear power that it has, like on the stump throttle right here. It's real calm. But would I ride it every single day for all the type of stuff that I really would do? No, you know, I really wouldn't, because I like to, you know, go fast, do wheelies, and this thing is really hard to wheelie. There's people out there that, you know, like put in hours and hours and hours, like freaking like 10, 11, 12 hours every single day, trying to perfect their wheelies and get really good. Like, bro, they ride all day. Obviously, when I was a kid, until I was like, I'd say about 18, I would just play video games all day. Like literally wake up 10 a.m. and then just hop on the game and play until till like 1 or like 2 a.m. and just on the game the entire time. And that's like, you don't really gain any value from that. Yeah, I guess if you're trying to go pro in video games, like you can do that and probably make a lot of money, you know, if you're actually really good at it. I wasn't getting aces every single match. Doing something like this, it practices reflexes, fast you are. It's just a good form of exercise, you know, practicing doing wheelies. Even if you don't ride a bike right now, maybe considering getting an e-bike. I really do recommend that, you know, you get on a bike. I'm actually out doing stuff. I'm outside, I'm having fun, I'm exploring. Of course, there's just a little bit of danger element to it. But look at these kids, they're having way more fun than if they were to playing video games. Like, screw video games, man. Can't wait for GTA 6. When GTA 6 comes out, bro, my channel is just gonna be dead. Everybody's gonna be on GTA 6. I really don't want to play any other games. There's no games that really interest me right now. Yes! Yes! One hand! Yeah! One hand, let's go! Right? I want to talk to the infamous Forbes. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir, would you happen to know where a man named Forbes is? He's a motocop. You haven't seen him around, a motocop around here somewhere? Did y'all happen to have seen a motocop around here? His name's Forbes. No, y'all haven't seen any? I'm gonna give this one more shot. My name's Luciano Urzuza. A question regarding the e-bike laws. I'm right here in the police station with my e-bike. Obviously, you can't hear exactly what the cop is saying right now. He sounded pretty unsure about it. He really wanted to have a look at it and make sure 100%. But I explained to him how it has pedals and it only goes 25 miles an hour. And if I were to cut a wire, it would go 37. I believe it's a class 2. It goes about, I'd say like 25 to 28 miles an hour. It looks similar to like those Surons, but it has pedals. I'm pretty sure I can cut the wire and then it would go like about like 37 miles an hour. I'm just wondering if like it would be illegal. Okay, so if it has pedals, it's good, but if it has pegs, then it would be illegal. Okay, for sure. All right, thank you so much for your time. You know, at least we talked to somebody. I bet the audio definitely didn't come out, but basically he said these bikes are legal, and he said if you were to modify it any further and make it to where it goes, you know, like over 30 or it goes like 40 miles an hour, it would be illegal. But would they ever know? Nope, unless you're hauling ass past a cop going like 40 miles an hour. That's the only way they'd ever find out. Unfortunately, we couldn't find Forbes. We will find him. One day we will find Forbes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace. Yo, what the f are these kids doing, dude? Bro, what the hell? Bro, y'all are gonna go get that shit, right? Bro, what the f are you talking about? You're not gonna go get that. Thank God I got the Nova X Mini. I get to pull this thing out with my bike. Got this freaking bike up real quick. Oh, dude, this is nasty as hell. You guys make me grab this cart and everything, dude. Cart out now, bro. Oh, look at how nasty I am, bro. Let me see if I can pull this cart out. There we go. There we go. Yo, somebody help me bring the car back up. Oh, I just dropped it. Alright guys, we got the cart. Don't mind me, sir. I'm just being a good Samaritan. Come on, we're going home. Put it back where it belongs.